A $100 AWS AI Practitioner certification unlocks a 47% pay bump for IT professionals. That's a return on investment that's hard to ignore. In this six-part series, we'll cover every exam domain and build a fail-proof study plan. Starting now with the business case. IT professionals with AI skills command 47% higher pay. Sales and marketing 43%, finance 42%, business operations 41%. Data, AWS November 2023 study. The beta exam had 85 questions in 120 minutes at $75. Once it went live, it settled at 65 questions in 90 minutes for $100. Early testers saved 25s, but the certification's value hasn't changed. It's still a solid foundation. You might think all AI certs require a computer science degree and years of coding. That's a myth. AIF C01 is built for IT beginners, business analysts, career switchers, and even sales professionals. If you can explain AI concepts to a colleague, you can earn this credential. The beta feedback helped AWS calibrate the exam. Now, AIF C01 is a mature, globally recognized certification. At $100, it's one of the most affordable ways to prove AI fluency on the AWS cloud. AWS reports employers are willing to pay significantly more for AI-skilled workers across every department, from 47% higher in IT to 41% in operations. That hiring wave is happening now. Don't wait. Here's your 5-step plan. Download the free exam guide, take the Skill Builder course, get hands-on with Bedrock, test yourself, and schedule the exam. Details on screen. One early tester reported passing after just 16 hours. Many candidates pass within 2 to 4 weeks of part-time study. That's an incredibly low time commitment for a credential that unlocks the AI hiring wave. The exam covers AI, ML fundamentals, generative AI, AWS AI services, responsible AI, and security and compliance. According to unofficial prep sources, generative AI and AWS AI services often account for a large portion of the questions. Check the official AWS exam guide for exact weightings. Your exam domains map to resources: AWS Free Training for Fundamentals, Gen AI Learning Plan, Hands-on Labs for AI Services, AI Ethics Module, Well-Architected for Security. Screenshot this. Both cost $100, but AI Practitioner instantly signals AI fluency, the exact skill driving a 47% salary premium. If you want AI roles, Cloud Practitioner won't cut it. This cert does. AWS research shows IT professionals with AI skills command 47% higher pay. That could mean an additional $37,600 on an $80K salary. The exam costs just $100. While the cert alone won't magically get you a raise, it's a powerful signal that you're AI ready. Common roles that value AI knowledge include AI analyst, technical PM, solutions architect, sales engineer. Check job boards to confirm current demand. Later, stack the ML associate or ML specialty to push into six-figure territory. Huge misconception. You need to code. You don't. The AI Practitioner exam doesn't ask you to write a single line of Python. It tests whether you know which AWS AI service solves a given business problem. That's a business skill, not a coding one. The exam expects you to match problems with AWS AI services. Services like SageMaker, Bedrock, Comprehend, Recognition, and others frequently appear. Check the official exam guide for the current list. Many AI job descriptions list a degree, but this credential proves you can already do the work. The AI Practitioner directly signals to employers that you speak AI, no CS degree needed. That's a massive unlock for career switchers. Both cost around $100 and are beginner-friendly. But AWS's large market presence means many roles list AWS AI skills. If you're targeting the broadest opportunity set, AIF C01 is a strong bet. Don't confuse them. AIF C01 is your first step. Zero coding, $100, beginner-friendly. The Google ML Engineer Cert is an advanced credential for working ML engineers. Start here, then consider deeper certs once you've built real experience. Don't just pass and forget. Claim your Credly badge immediately. Add it everywhere. Post about it. Tag AWS. Then start applying. A cert alone won't get you hired, but visible proof of it will land you interviews. When you pass, you're not just hanging a piece of paper on the wall. You're wearing the AWS shield, instant credibility with hiring managers who already know what an AWS certification represents. That trust transfers directly to you. After passing, add your badge to your LinkedIn headline immediately to signal AI readiness. AWS reports that employers pay 47% more to hire IT workers with AI skills. With a $100 exam and a few weeks of part-time study, that premium can translate into a massive salary bump, far more than the modest investment. AIF C01 is your on-ramp to the most lucrative AI roles in the AWS ecosystem. From there, level up to the ML Engineer Associate at $150 and a $130–190K salary, then the ML Specialty at $300 and up to $220K plus. AI skills aren't just for engineers. With AIF C01, you learn use cases across IT, sales, marketing, finance, and operations. For example, in sales, you'll see how Amazon Forecast predicts product demand, letting you optimize inventory and avoid stockouts. The cert gives department-specific AI tools you can apply immediately. On the AWS Cert ladder, AI Practitioner sits at the foundational level but is laser-focused on AI. It bridges you directly into the Associate ML Engineer and then the Specialty, skipping the traditional generalist paths. At $100, AWS AI Practitioner is among the cheapest AI certs from a major cloud provider, nearly matching Azure's $19. It's the most affordable way to get AI credentialed on the world's largest cloud. These roles often seek candidates with AI understanding. AIF C01 certification strengthens your application. Solutions. Architects who add AI skills can command salaries in the 110K–170K range, based on current salary data for cloud professionals with AI expertise. Check current salary surveys for your region. When you stack them side by side, AIF C01 and Azure AI 900 are both entry-level and cheap, but only AIF C01 gives you a direct line into the highest-paying AI roles on AWS. Skip AIF C01 if you already hold the AWS ML Specialty or are a seasoned data scientist looking for advanced technical depth. For everyone else, IT beginner, business pro, or developer new to AI, it's a smart, career-accelerating move. Instead of just salary, here's the skill overlap. AIF C01 covers foundational AI/ML concepts, while MLA C01 dives deeper into model training, deployment, and data engineering. Expect significant overlap in AI fundamentals, making the transition smooth. Follow this progression: AIF C01, MLA C01, ML Specialty. You don't need months. One early tester on YouTube cleared the beta with 16 hours of prep, and most candidates report passing comfortably in under a month. Perfect for working professionals who can't drop everything. Spend 80% of your time where it counts. Generative AI and AWS AI services often carry the most weight according to unofficial prep sources. Use the official AWS exam guide to pinpoint the exact weightings and make every study hour count. The AIF C01 badge isn't window dressing. It catches a recruiter's eye in the crucial first 6-second resume scan. Place the AIF C01 badge in the certification section of your resume. It signals validated AI knowledge and helps you stand out in a competitive job market. High-quality prep costs nothing. Start with AWS's free digital course and white papers, and you won't spend a cent outside the exam fee. That makes the total investment just the $100 registration. Your badge lives on Credly and updates if you recertify. It's not a static image. Log into Credly after passing, copy the shareable link, and paste it into your LinkedIn certification section. Recruiters can click to verify directly. Before paying full price, check if AWS is running any voucher promotions. They sometimes offer discounts via training challenges. It's worth a quick search. According to an AWS study, employers are willing to pay 47% more for IT professionals with AI skills. A typical $80,000 base could see a $37,600 premium. For a $100 exam, that's immediate ROI. The AI practitioner gives you the conceptual base to tackle the ML engineer associate's hands-on tasks. The MLA C01 has a typical salary range of $130K, $190K. AIF C01 ties directly to AWS's dominant cloud market share, which translates to far more job listings that mention the credential. Nutanix's CERT teaches broader Gene AI, but without the ecosystem pull that recruiters actively search for. The AWS Certified AI Practitioner was explicitly built for non-technical roles. With 43% higher pay for AI-skilled sales and marketing professionals, it's the fastest way to become the AI-fluent person on every client call, without writing a single line of code. A real scenario: a marketing director asked for better targeting. A data engineer thought deep learning. After both passed AIF C01, they aligned on using Amazon Personalize for real-time recommendations. The project shipped in 3 weeks because they shared a vocabulary. Exam questions aren't pure trivia. You'll face scenarios like building a customer service chatbot. Use the AWS free tier to spin up Amazon Lex, connect a Bedrock knowledge base, and practice exactly the kind of task that shows up under pressure. Pearson VUE online proctoring may be available. Check their site. It's the same $100 fee, 65 questions from your own desk. Save yourself a proctor panic. 4 must-dos: government ID, passed system test, spotless desk, and an empty bladder, because once the exam starts, you can't pause. These 9 services appear frequently in prep material. SageMaker for ML model building, Bedrock for generative AI, Comprehend for NLP, Recognition for image, video analysis, Lex for chatbots, Poly for text-to-speech, Transcribe for speech-to-text, Forecast for predictions, and Personalize for recommendations. Memorize their one-liners, but double-check the latest exam guide for any updates. AWS certifications have renewal requirements. To verify the validity period, usually 3 years, and recertification paths, always check the official AWS certification site. Passing a higher-level exam like MLA C01 may or may not automatically recertify AIF C01, so confirm the current policy before you plan your next step. AI Practitioner doesn't just level up your career, it transforms teams. IT automates with Bedrock agents, sales prioritizes leads, marketing personalizes, finance catches fraud with Comprehend, and ops predicts demand with Forecast. One cert, whole company ROI. Don't guess which domains are weighted heaviest. Head to the official AWS certification page and download the exam guide. It's the only source of the exact weighting. Once you know the percentages, allocate your study time accordingly. That's how you prep where the points really are. AWS reports employers pay 47% more for IT workers with AI skills. The AI Practitioner certification is still fresh. Earn it while it sets you apart, not when it's a standard requirement. The old career ladder demanded years of proving yourself. The AI Practitioner flips that. Instead of waiting for a promotion, get the cert and immediately start applying to AI-adjacent roles paying the 47% premium AWS reports. Before Part 2, drill the key AWS AI services, and remember, valid ID and a quiet room are non-negotiable for online proctoring. After you pass, execute this 7-day plan. Day 1. Claim your Credly badge. Day 2. Update your resume. Day 3. Announce your certification on LinkedIn. Days 4-7. Apply to AI-adjacent roles. This turns your cert into interviews. As the dominant cloud platform, AWS hosts the most AI workloads and the most AI jobs. Look for roles like AI Solutions Architect, Machine Learning Consultant, or AI Product Manager. The exam may cover responsible AI concepts like fairness, transparency, and governance. But always consult the latest AWS exam guide to confirm the full scope. This signals you can help build safe AI. Fewer professionals hold the AI practitioner certification compared to broader cloud certs. Search LinkedIn for AWS Certified AI Practitioner and compare the number to AWS Cloud Practitioner. Scarcity is on your side. Arm yourself with this exact arsenal: tutorials, Dojo's practice exams, WizLab's free trial course, AWS's free skill builder, a cloud guru's sandbox, and our upcoming Hired in IT live study sessions. Availability and pricing may change. Verify on each provider's site. Stack up the exam fee, free AWS digital courses, and a few weekends of study, essentially just the $100 cost if you use free resources. Then compare it to a typical $37,600 salary uplift in year one. That's a staggering 376x return, and it kicks in almost immediately. The math is hard to beat. The AWS AI Practitioner isn't just a badge, it's a career accelerator. For $100 and a few weekends, you earn a credential that screams, "I'm ready for AI." Take the first concrete step now. Open the AWS certification portal and schedule your exam for 4 to 6 weeks out. At Hired in IT, we turn beginners into pros. Subscribe and hit the bell for Part 2, your complete study plan. Next, Part 2 dives into AI ML fundamentals. Before you watch, review AWS's free Machine Learning Basics digital course at aws.training. It covers supervised versus unsupervised learning and will give you a head start. Subscribe and hit the bell to catch Part 2.